In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export reports from QuickBooks to Excel in Classic View. Exporting reports from QuickBooks into Excel is a great way to review, edit, and analyze your financial data in a format that's easy to work with. Whether you're preparing for a meeting, creating custom charts, or simply organizing your data, this process is quick and straightforward. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step to ensure you can seamlessly export your reports and make the most of them in Excel. If you're new to QuickBooks, you can use the link in the description to create an account and get started. Let's dive in. First, open your QuickBooks software. Once you've logged in, navigate to the report that you'd like to export. This could be anything from a profit and loss statement to a balance sheet, or any other report you're working with. Once you've selected your report, make sure it's displayed in the Classic View mode. This is important because the steps we'll follow are based on this particular layout, so double check that your report is in Classic View before moving on. Now, take a look at the screen and locate the report table window. This is the section of your screen where your report data is displayed. You'll want to focus on the top right corner of this window. There, you'll notice a row of icons. These icons are tools that allow you to perform different actions with your report. Find the Export button in this row of icons. It's easy to spot because it looks like a page with an arrow pointing to the right. It's positioned just to the right of the gear icon. Once you've identified the Export button, click on it. This will open a small menu with different export options. From the menu, select the option labeled Export to Excel. When you click this option, QuickBooks will automatically begin downloading your report as an Excel file. Depending on your browser and download settings, the file may save to your default downloads folder, or you might be prompted to choose a location to save it. Either way, wait for the download to finish. Once the download is complete, locate the Excel file on your computer and open it. You'll now be able to review, edit, and analyze your data directly in Excel. From here, you can customize the data to suit your needs, create visualizations, or share the file with others for collaboration. And that's it. You've successfully exported your QuickBooks report to Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.